Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp AI feature to solve a simple mathematics question. Make sure your WhatsApp is being installed on your device. So my own is being installed. I'll just open my WhatsApp, go to Meta AI and write the question. So I'll say which of the following is an odd number. Okay. So I have my question being written here. Then I'll give the options. So we have option one, let me say 6. Option B, I will say 5. Option C, I will say 2. Then option D, I will say 10. Okay. So let's see if the AI will be able to give me correct answer. So let me submit. Wait for a while. Okay. So they say the correct answer is option B, which is 5. Wow, that's good. So let's see the definition of the explanation given to it. I said the 5 is an odd number as it cannot be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. It means an odd number is a number that cannot be divided by 2 without having a remainder. Okay, so it goes on and says that the other options 6, 2, and 10 are all even numbers, as they can be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. Okay, so here are a simple way to check if a number is an odd or even. So you see how efficient a WhatsApp has become. Okay, we can use WhatsApp to solve a simple mathematics question. So as a parent, you need not to waste your time on your work assignment. If you don't have any idea, just type it inside your WhatsApp AI and it will give you a brief answer. Mind you, this one has some kind of limitation. Okay, so we talk about it later. But for simple questions, you can just use your WhatsApp AI feature to do it. As a student, you can also use it to learn. So don't just use your WhatsApp for messaging your friends. You can use it as a tool to enhance your learning as a student. Thank you. See you very soon.